People think that you need a 700 credit score in order for you to be able to qualify for a car. That is wrong. So if your credit score is 580 and below, I guarantee I can get you approved here with me. Are you still looking?
We got cars for every credit situation. Bankruptcy, bad credit, no credit, 400 credit score. We'll take you, we'll get you in a vehicle, we'll get you rolling.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. We got a lot of crazy clips. People still going to these dealerships with these low credit scores. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's get into it. Let's go.
I recently had a troubled credit customer come in just looking to get some type of approval on a car. And you know it's bad when the first thing someone wants to start with is a credit application.
Yep.
We end up running credit and she has 2 repos and 3 charge-offs on her account. Now you guys are probably thinking there's no way someone has 2 repos and they still get approved on a car. Well, boy, do I have some news for you. Because she had income and a pretty good down payment, there was a bank that was willing to give her a shot. Let me show you guys the approval that came back. So this is the approval right here. First things first, the car that she got approved on was a 2016 Ford Escape.
Wow.
The bank required $4,800 down. She got approved for 48 months at 30% APR.
Oh my
and 30%
goodness.
is New Jersey's state max rate. The craziest thing about this approval is that the car was only like $12,000.
Oh my
So the
goodness.
bank really wasn't trying to let her borrow that much money at all. But you guys saw here first, if you have troubled credit, I'm talking repos, charge-offs, you can still get approved on the next car loan, but the terms suck. What's pretty much guaranteed is a high interest rate and the bank cutting back the amount of months you can finance for.
See, that's the problem, guys, when you're trying to finance these old cars. The banks do not want to do it. And if they do approve it, they're going to give you a super high interest rate. So it's best to try to pay cash for these older cars.
I'm an hour away down the street. I went the wrong way. I'm on feet. Do you think we're gonna He's walking. That means he needs to leave with a car.
He needs a car, right?
How much down are you trying to do?
I put $50 in it. I gotta get insurance to see.
Yeah. We did the pre-qualification. You're pulling pretty much a 0 FICO score. To get you into any vehicle, we will have to do like an in-house finance, but you need at least minimum $1,500 or at least $1,000.
You gonna do insurance too?
We have nothing to do with insurance now.
You okay to do no deal today?
Yeah, that's the deal. Minimum is for $1,500. If you can get to $1,000, we can push the down payment a little bit.
You okay to do 400?
That doesn't even cover your taxes on the cheapest car.
Why they ain't telling me that shit that they call y'all out? I can't be making no blank trips.
I get that, and I apologize. Like, if you would have spoken with somebody like over the phone or something, we could have gotten more of an accurate.
I was texting his ass. He the boy told me to call over here.
It's a robot. I can definitely talk to my GM about it.
Yeah, man, see what's up. What about the 900?
$1,000 minimum.
Y'all can't hold it for like 2 weeks.
Usually on holds, you have to put money. We only hold up to a week. Just whenever you decide to come back, just make sure you talk to like an actual rep and not maybe a robot.
I showed you the text. He got the deal something and all that shit.
It's a dealer, yeah. Or if you can get a cosigner, maybe that somebody that can help you.
You gonna drop prices up?
No.
Shit,
It's just,
it
it helps with your down payment and stuff. So if the cosigner has good credit, you can put 0 down.
What the fuck? I got a co-signer right now. I'm gonna call her ass right now.
Okay, sounds good. Just have her fill out the application like you did online.
Great.
That way,
Tell her right now.
Sounds good.
Co-sign that shit. You so much 0 down.
they have to have good credit though. Like it can't just be like a 3, you know.
So, cause I need to get some with her.
This clearly dude is on joke time, man. He ain't really trying to buy no car. Anytime you come into a dealership and you putting something small down on a car, you're not really ready to buy a car, man. Especially if your credit is not good. Dude talking about he got a 0 credit score. So that means he really don't have any established credit. So he just pretty much wasting their time.
So you mean to tell me you came to the dealership from 2 hours away knowing you had a 480 credit score?
That's crazy.
And you are 6 months past on your car note to tell me after an $1,800 bank fee we covered for you and we got an approval on one of those banks. We started at $900 payment. I got her payment to a $692 approved with some cash down, yes, but that's what it took to get the car deal. Not only that, we discounted our fucking car $800. So why the fuck are we talking about the numbers and you say you have to go home and think about it? What do you have to think about? Not making your next car note on your vehicle so it gets towed tomorrow? That's the reality of it. Ma'am, we're helping you. We're paying off your car that you owe $6 grand on. That is beat the shit up. Look at this car. What is wrong with people? We shot her credit out. Now guess what? She thinks she's approved, so she's going to go to another store, not get approved. And if they do get approved, they stipulation, and then she's going to come back and talk to me tomorrow and wish she would have gotten the approval, and we're going to tell her, no, you went to another dealership and shot your credit 8 times. You ain't getting approved on nothing, honey.
That ain't necessarily true. She could probably get approved at a different dealership, but it is frustrating. That way, I would think it is frustrating as a car salesman. You go through all these hoops trying to get somebody approved with bad credit or clapped out trade-in. Then they're going to waste your time talking about they need to think about it. But hey, that's her prerogative. That's how it goes. I mean, if you're not ready to make a decision, you got to do what you got to do.
Got me rolling. I got Ashley in here approved on her first 2022 Malibu. $15,000 down, $1,000 a month. How do you rate your experience?
That's crazy.
I feel like it was great as a first-time buyer. Great decision.
So, you know, if you need any help, hit me up. Bring a piece of mail, an ID, and your down payment.
$15,000 down. She should have just went on and paid cash for a different car. Ain't no way I'm paying no $1,000 a month for no Malibu. That's crazy.
And you want a $92,000 Escalade. Am I right?
Yeah, I turn 18 next week.
Congratulations. And it says your dad put $1,000 down. Is that correct?
Yeah, my dad, he said he was going to put $1,000 down.
So you turn 18 and you want that expensive Escalade?
Yeah, I'm trying to start building my credit.
Well, I'm going to be honest. With no credit and $1,000 down, that's almost impossible. I could help you with something more realistic. Hyundai, Toyota.
Nah, my friends got Mustangs, Corvettes. You know, one of them just got a TRX.
I promise you, none of those cars are in their name. For this Escalade, you will need $25,000 to $30,000 down or a cosigner.
I'm not doing a cosigner. I'm trying to be an adult here.
I got that. But nobody starts adulthood in an Escalade.
Yeah, nah, man. I'm going to just go ahead to find another dealership.
And he hang up.
Yeah, he tripping. But believe it or not, guys, that's exactly how some people are when they trying to get what they want. A lot of people call the dealerships with unrealistic expectations.
So how would I go about even doing this?
We're talking about the white one, right? The Hellcat?
Yeah, it's a 2019.
We've got 15,140 miles.
That's pretty good.
If you don't mind me asking, what do you do for work?
I work at Panda Express right now. I'm a manager there. How much money do I need down?
So with you being a first-time buyer, I would guesstimate probably around $3,000 to $5,000. How much do you make, would you say, monthly? And would you have a possible cosigner?
I make 18 an hour, so I don't really track my monthly, but I think that's like a little bit under 3,000 a month. I think my mom could cosign, but I'm not really sure. I don't really know her credit, to be honest.
Okay, for this deal, you're looking at a $55,000 car. If you have a solid down payment, if you could bring me a solid cosigner, we could possibly work some numbers on it. I have all the information I need. Let me get with my sales manager. I will get back with you.
Again, somebody trying to buy a car that's super expensive as their first car. People look at their friends, look at other people riding around these super expensive cars, and they want to follow the leader. But you got to stay in your lane. You can't do what everybody else is doing, especially if you haven't even established your credit yet. So, guys, I told y'all I was working on something that I can offer you guys to help you when you're trying to buy a car. I'm just tired of seeing people get ripped off. A link is in the description where you can download my Smart Buyer Car Checklist, and it's going to guide you through all the different things you need to look for, all the different questions you need to ask. So the link is in the description. It'll save you a lot of money, save you a lot of time. Link is in the description. Appreciate y'all support.